Now, if you feel like you've been following tutorial after tutorial and you still feel like you're not actually improving your art, you are not alone in that. And it's not because you're not naturally talented. Now, before I kind of reveal all, I really want to invite you to a free live workshop that's going to show you exactly how you can create artwork that you love without relying on copying or tutorials anymore. So save your seat now, the link's in the description box. So let's continue with the video, because really the truth is that tutorials are brilliant for finishing one specific painting in that specific style. And you know, it is such a wonderful feeling when you come away with a painting that you feel really proud of. But the moment that you sit down to paint something on your own, that's when the doubt kicks in. You know, where do I start? What colors do I use? How am I supposed to build these layers? Now, that's because tutorials teach you the how, they tell you the steps, but they don't cover the why. And it's the why that is so important, because that is the driver behind every single decision you make in your painting. You know, why was that certain color chosen? Why was that layer added first in that order? And why did we paint that there? And all these different decisions, actually, the artist who has made the tutorial has already decided those. They are just giving you the steps for you to follow and copy. That's why you can find it easy and fun to paint along with a tutorial, but when you come to paint something on your own, you still might end up feeling lost or end up with a painting that you're not truly happy with. Now, I am not saying tutorials are bad. Just look at my channel. I have hundreds on there. So let's be clear about that. But just like, say, a baby has milk to grow, but it doesn't continue to have milk into adulthood. It comes to a point where milk actually no longer nourishes every need that that baby has. It's essentially outgrown the need for milk, but it needs solid food. Now, in that same way, tutorials are brilliant for true beginners who have maybe never picked up a paintbrush before. But really, as somebody gets more experience with painting, they come to a point where they no longer feel nourished by that tutorial. But then it leaves the question, okay, so what next? What kind of bridges that gap between tutorials and painting your own work? Well, actually what changes everything is discovering the recipe to what really makes a great painting. Now, I like to call this the paint anything process. And this is the 5 core skills that every great painting is built on. That's drawing, composition, values, color, and technique. Now, once you know these and have this process, you can really take any idea, any reference, and bring it to life in a painting without all that second guessing. And that is exactly what I'm going to be teaching in this live workshop in a few days. It's a simple, repeatable process that works for any person, any subject, or any style. It's really already been working for hundreds of people who are seeing incredible results with their artwork with this process. So if you're interested, the link to save your seat for the free workshop is below in the description. It is just a private workshop just for those registered. It won't be available on YouTube, so please make sure to save your seat. All the details will be sent to your email, including the private class link, and you'll get a free workbook to go alongside the workshop. So yeah, it's going to be exciting and I can't wait to see you there.